beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Guys, I got something special I want to share with you today. Guys, I'm gonna make some condensed milk. All right, I know a lot of you guys like condensed milk to bake, to put in your coffee. We're gonna try it out. Something, guys, I think it might work. All right, guys, let's try it out. I got 2 cups of milk on my stovetop right here. I decided to add another cup to it, guys, and I'm gonna see how it works. All right, pour another cup in here, guys. All right, and guys, I got 1 cup of sugar here. All right, try this out. Get the stove going right now, guys, and we're gonna make some condensed milk. Guys, I think you gotta keep on stirring it as soon as you put it on, so the sugar can reduce. All right, nice and slow. I'm just gonna bring you guys a little bit closer so you can see what's going on inside the pot. So if you guys notice, it's just start foaming on top right now. That's what you're looking for. Guys, it should take roughly about 35 minutes for it to start reducing. The whole process probably take about 45 minutes, to be honest. I'm just gonna let it go. I just put it on low heat right now, so it's just simmer away. It doesn't boil over your stove. You don't want that. All right, you don't want any mess on your stove, guys. So let it simmer down. Hope it was a quick process to show you guys, but I'm just trying it out this way to see how it's gonna turn out. All right, I know it takes a while to reduce, but guys, let's enjoy watching and looking at it. So guys, just gonna keep on stirring this. I'm gonna put it on medium heat, guys. So that's medium low heat going on there, guys. Just gonna keep on stirring this until the sugar dissolves. As you stir, you can feel the sugar going. And this will start getting a little bit foamy on top, so it's gonna reduce all the way down. Guys, we're trying out the condensed milk. All right. Whether you guys put it in your coffee, in your tea, porridge. You guys are baking. Yeah, I can feel all the sugar going right now, and this is gonna reduce and get thickened up, guys. Hope it work out, guys. We're trying it. All right, I just sit here, guys, and I said this should can work, right? I mean, I was here about making your own condensed milk at home. It's pretty simple. Sugar and cream or milk, and you can add vanilla if you want it flavored. Homemade is the best, guys. Homemade. Half the time we don't know what we get in the can, guys, but so as soon as it reduces, guys, it's gonna get a little bit darker. won't be as white as the milk is when it goes in the pot. Yes, and all the sugar is gone now. So I'm just gonna let that sit and reduce. Alright guys, so we're on our way with the condensed milk. Alright. So you guys see how this is reducing now? The color changes right now, guys. So right now, it's foaming up on top. We can skim off some of this foam right here. Take a look at that. Get off the foam off the top here, guys. Beautiful. It's coming together, guys. Coming together. Keep it in low heat the same way. Let it reduce all the way down. You guys can see that it's getting really thick right now. Yeah. We get in there, guys. Our condensed milk is almost ready. Guys, right now I just shut the heat off. You guys can see the texture right here. It's gonna thicken up a little bit more. But guys, I'm just gonna strain the condensed milk right now. Just strain it just to get it nice and smooth. Alright, so we won't have any of that stuff inside of it. You guys can see that. It's nice and thick. Alright. So guys, let's get this off my stove right here. Get it in the sink. So you guys see how beautiful it looks. So guys, this is making your own condensed milk at home right here. You guys gotta try this out and tell me how it turned out for you guys. It's hot right now. As soon as it cools down, I'm gonna put it into a jar and show you guys how nice and rich it is. Alright. Okay guys, so this is the condensed milk, the homemade condensed milk I made. This is the next day after. Took it out the fridge. I'm gonna put some in my tea just to show you guys what it looks like, so you guys can make your condensed milk at home. You can look right inside the cup right there. That's a Tetley tea bag I got in there. See that? Looking so good. Guys, if you want to mix your Guinness with some condensed milk, guys, this is perfect. I just pour a bit in here just to show you guys what it looks like. Just rinse this. Look at that, guys. Take a look at that. Wow. Guys, make your own condensed milk at home. Alright, guys, that's a short tutorial just to show you guys how to make your condensed milk. The recipe will be right there, guys. Make it. Let me know how it turned out for you guys. Thanks for watching again, guys. Like, share, and subscribe, guys, to this video.